In this video, I'm going to show you how to create content that actually sells stuff and that you know exactly what to do each and every day because we use metrics and numbers to do it. So there's 3 steps. Let's jump right into them. The first step is you're going to post 3 shorts a day. These are less than a minute long, and then 1 long video per day. And this is roughly 10 minutes or more. And you want to do this at the same time every single day for 10 days. And the reason why is because when you do this, what happens is you start to see ratios, you start to see metrics, and then you'll start to see which types of content actually take off and which ones don't. But more importantly, when you post like this every day at the same time in the same rhythm with the same style, not only do you get better at your message, but number 2, when you track what I'm about to show you to track each day, you'll see, okay, when I do posts like this, I get this much traffic, this much leads, this much sales. You do more of what works and less of what doesn't. So in step 2, after you do this, is you want to track your metrics. Just get a Google Sheet out, okay? So Google Sheets is completely free. Get on there and have 1 column for traffic, 1 column for leads, 1 column for sales, and then you would do it for each day for 10 days. Every day at the same time, each day, what you want to do is go into your metrics and you want to see, okay, I posted these 3 shorts yesterday and this 1 long. How much traffic did I get? How many leads did I get? How many sales did I get? And just be honest. And then you'll go back and be able to see, okay, whenever we do content like this, I see we get more traffic. Whenever we do content like this, I see we get more leads. When I do content like this, I see we get more sales. So what does that tell you? Well, step 3 says that you want to do more of what works and less of what does not work. And the only way you're going to figure this out is by tracking and doing metrics. I was just on a cruise. We went and met with a team of people that have been following us, our customers, people that are members of our community. We met in Florida. We went to Miami. We got on this cruise for 5 days. We came back, and then for 4 days we hung out in South Beach, Hollywood, Florida there. And it was amazing to me how many people did not track their metrics. So if you look at your analytics in YouTube, where you're going to be posting your long form each day, after 5 days, you'll be able to go in there and you'll see these little peaks. And those peaks are telling you that's the part of the video that people wanted to actually watch, that matter to them. Well, what you can do is you can cut out those shorts out of that long form piece of content where you've seen the peaks. But it takes about 4 to 5 days for these to start showing up. Then you can take those shorts, you can cut them out, and you can post them back on YouTube as short forms. And these short forms, you would relate them back to the long form video. And in that long form video is where you're going to link down in the description to your lead magnet and to your sales page. If you do this for 10 days straight, I mean, longer is better, or just, keep doing it. You can always go back and see, okay, whenever we do content like this, people watch it more, we get more traffic, we get more leads, we get more sales, and you simply just take it easy. You take that information and think easy about it and say, okay, I'm going to do more of what works, less of what doesn't work, and just keep repeating that, and you'll start to fine tune and you'll start to carve out exactly what type of content you need to keep creating. Bruce Lee said, I don't fear the man that knows 1,000 kicks. I fear the man that's practiced 1 kick 1,000 times. So how does that relate to content? It's not about creating all these myriads of different styles of content. It's about finding out what are those 3 to 5 things that every time I do content about them, I get a lot of what I want, which is traffic, leads, and sales. Do more of that and learn how to do those types of content, those 3 to 5 main pieces, in 1,000 different ways. Instead of 1,000 different topics and types of content, it's doing 3 to 5 main pieces of content and figuring out thousands of ways to tell that story differently. The other thing, as a quick little secret and hack, if you want to call it number 4 or a bonus, you're going to get to a place in creating content that you can't get to anywhere else when somebody asks you questions. Or using ChatGPT, you can actually use the voice-activated part of ChatGPT, and you can say to it, and there's a video on my YouTube channel where you can see this, but I literally asked it, I said, hey, I don't have anybody to talk to me. I need somebody to ask me questions. Will you ask me questions that are difficult, that are unique, that helps me share my story, share my solution, share what I do? And it asked me questions, and it had a full-blown voice conversation with me. And you just click the little headphones down in the bottom right-hand corner, and you have it ask you questions, and it will have a conversation with you. And you let it know, hey, ask me enough questions where I can get a 10-minute video where I'm sharing about XYZ, whatever that is for your topic. I promise if you do that at least once a day, it's very extremely simple, or get somebody to ask you questions, you're gonna have a tremendous difference in your content. And guess what? You don't even have to look at the camera. You could be looking over here talking to ChatGPT, because that's what I did, and it worked extremely well. So I hope you can help find the help in this, and I hope you can see the value in this and start tracking it, because the numbers will tell you what to do more of. But just guessing and wondering what to do more of is not gonna work for you. You're gonna be chasing all these rabbits, and you're gonna be working off of feelings, but business is built off of numbers. So if you go, I think, I feel, I wonder, blah, 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 that's not gonna get you rich. What's gonna get you rich is knowing what to do each day, because you know it gets you this much traffic, this much sales, this much leads, and you do more of what works and less of what doesn't. All right? I'll see you in some more videos. Let me know down in the comments if you tried this, if you're gonna try this, and if you're not gonna try this, why would you not try this? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.